joining me for the start of a brand new day of cycling. In this video I'm going to be heading across to the Peak District. In the last few videos people have been asking, can I record a video showcasing my bike and the equipment I use when I go out biking. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be taking a trip to Alpkit. They have a branch in Haversage. I'm also going to be out on my bike for a few hours, and my plan is to cycle across to Edale in the Hope Valley, up Mam Tor. Hello! So I'm in the Alpkit store in Haversage. They just let me inside actually. The store's not open for another 20 minutes or so. I start this video by taking a look at my bike really. So it's a Cube Agri Pro C62. I've come fully loaded, but I'm going to be cycling on the peaks today, so it's all going to come off, strip it all the way down. So let's start with the cockpit area. Got a Wahoo element, got the Cat Eye Volt 1200, got a Moonstorm Meteor Pro light. Both together they will keep me going all the way through the night. Box standard GoPro mount there as well. As for the bike itself, it's the Cube, which I bought in February 2018. It's done probably about 14,000 miles in that time. Chain set's the Shimano Ultegra. It's an 1128. Brand new rear derailleur, cassette and chain are both new as well, both Shimano. Let's take a look at the mudguards. That's the Race Blade Pro. Got some Triathlete Tri-Back Pro 5 bottle holders at the back for some of the longer rides come in useful. Under the saddle, got a Cat Eye, which is like a one I bought from Half is real cheap. And I got the Knog. Short model is, but that's a real light as well. As for the saddle, it's from Charge, and this is the Spoon model. The frame bag is the Restrap model. Got a couple of Alpkit bags in the. These are both stem cells. The one on the left is for a few food items, so I can tuck in there as I'm riding, don't have to stop. And on the right, this is the Alpkit's waterproof bag. So any sort of electrical bits and bobs like a power pack, my phone, my GoPro, spare batteries and things like that, they all go inside there. So I'm well geared up for the longer rides with enough space underneath for a couple of bottles, so it's quite a tight squeeze underneath that one. As for the wheels, the Mavic Cosmic Elite, and the tyres I use are Schwalbe Durano Plus. So that's the bike. What about me? What am I? What I'm going to be wearing today, I guess. It's quite cold, so today I've dressed in a Trek base layer, a DHB long sleeve jersey. Opted for some thermal bib tights today. These ones from DHB. Heavy duty overshoes, just some cheap ones from Aldi's, but they do the trick. Underneath those I've got some Shimano RP1. On the shoe front I'm probably going to try and upgrade those shoes. It's got a Cannondale gilet, and it comes with arms as well. I've taken those off today, I don't think I'll be needing those. And from Giraffe UK I've got a Sportif HQ branded Snood. Also got a Casque Rapido cycling helmet. Look at the chain on that one. So I've come to Haversage. I'm here at the Alpkit store, and I'm here with Richard.
Hi,
Rich.
nice to meet you.
Is it Rich or Richard?
Rich.
Rich.
Yeah. So this Velcro strap here Velcro's onto your stem, and there's two tabs here for attaching onto your top tube.
So we're just showing how easy it is to fit onto the bike. So it just goes around the.
Around there, and then I just need to get a pair of scissors, chop this to length. So easy way to do these is they are sort of a bit sticky on the underside, just to sort of fold that in half. So there we go, that's the whole thing on. My advice is probably put the heaviest stuff in the bottom so that it doesn't become sort of top heavy and knock over. There we go.
Good to go. Which model is this again,
That's
Rich?
the Fuel Pod 25.
So I've finally left Haversage and I'm on my way north through the Hope Valley. Today's ride is about 2,000 metres of climbing within the space of 90k. A lot of climbing today in such a short distance, so off we go. Let's check out the scenery. So I decided to ride with the Alpkit top tube bag, the cockpit bag. It seems to tick all the boxes. Ample space in there, ample room for everything I need today. Also, if you want to follow the route, I'll take a copy, see where I've been riding today. I'll drop a link to the activity in the description right below this video. So I've just come up the hill through Bamford, heading toward Lady Barrow Reservoir. We're about to turn left at Yorkshire Bridge. So here we go. Something I did forget to mention while I was going through my clothing was the sunglasses. These arrived via click and collect yesterday. They are from North Wave. So first ride out of them. All good so far. Can't say I missed the yellow tint. BASF safety glasses. This is much better. Much better. So it was last spring, this time, not quite this time last year, it was a little bit further on in the year, that came out to the Peak District and walked up the road to Mam Tor. It was really hard work just walking up it, and I remember admiring and envying the cyclists going up there. One, because they had the guts to go up there. Two, firmly clipped to the bike as well. There was no stopping and starting. So hopefully in the last 12 months I've got a lot of training behind me to just keep going and not to put my foot down. I'm going to strap the GoPro right now onto the handlebar mount, and unlike the Forester Bowland ride, I'm going to make sure I turn the camera on this time. When I get to the top of Mam Tor, on foot as well as on bike, I'm going to celebrate with the flapjack, I think, which I bought from the deli store right next to Alpkit. Hello, hi there. Glad I didn't meet these on the way up. So literally I'm at the base of the hill now. And I must say, it does look a bit daunting, as does the profile on the Wahoo. I'll have to take the base layer off, I think. Please stop looking at me profile. So far I don't know what was harder, cycling up the entire length of Mam Tor, just walking up this path. There you go, looking down on the climb up Mam Tor. The other cyclists giving it a go as well. And managed to get it all the way up. Did put my foot down once I'd taken my base layer off, I just kept going. Don't get many climbs like this in the UK, look at that, look at that windy road. There you go, view right down onto Willis Pass on the right side of the picture. Castleton, and I'm going to be heading towards the cement works, around and up again. Well, I don't know what that hill was called. It's going straight out of Castleton, turning for Devil's Peak. Follow the road up, ramped up, seriously ramped up. So I've been continuing away from Castleton. Tideswell is my first cafe stop of the day. It's 2:30 now. Hopefully I'll get there in the next half an hour because time's plodding on really, to be fair. But look at the views up here. I'm currently 494 metres above sea level, which I think is pretty good for the Peak District, to be honest. I don't know if there's many higher places than this. Quick stop at the Peak District Parlour for breakfast, cup of tea. Look at that. Yummy. I think I've earned it today. What a beautiful landscape that is. Really green around here now. So I'm just approaching Miller's Dale now, after I've been going up some more hills, straight out of Tideswell. And the route I took, well, the route I was going to take, took me on the bridle way, so I've had to go round a little bit, which has involved more hills. Sun's coming out again, just as well, because it was getting cold. Absolutely glorious around here. My channel on YouTube has been going for about 6.5 months now. It's been quite an adventure. We've gone lots of different places. So I'm looking forward to France and the Netherlands, get loads of footage. Got any recommended rides, hills and here in the Peak District? Just drop it in the comments and I'll perhaps ride those on my next visit. Solid! Solid as a rock. Another 100 metres of climbing. I've stopped here at Monsole Head, which is close to the Monsole Trail. So that's what it used to look like in its heyday. Towards the end of the ride now, about 14k to go, which is quite a lot around here. One big hill to come. I will follow you wherever. So when I came to design, which is a loose word for scribble the route together, all I wanted to make sure I did was go around up Mam Nick, which is the route up to Mam Tor, avoiding Winnet's Pass. I always use a Strava builder to do all the routes. I'm going long distance and fancy doing some greenways or cycleways, or get commute out. But generally speaking, Strava builder all the way. Bit of Google Maps on Street View for backup as well from on shore. This looks like the quite a big one to finish with. We've got a lot of strength in these legs. Just pure determination, really. So let's get up there, see what's beyond the other side. Oh my word, look at that. To my channel, that would be awesome as well. Tomorrow I'll be doing the Portkirk Sportive from Brick Town Centre, a double helping of videos.